हर किसी की एक डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटी होती है, लेकिन मेरे फ्रेंड्स की तो बहुत ही यूनिक है. Just like these new launch deodorants by Bella Vita Luxury. Just look at the IPL packaging and the names. इन्हें देखते ही I can relate कि मेरे किस फ्रेंड को कौन सा deodorant यूज करना चाहिए. And the first on the list is the stud deo for men. This one has to be for somebody who stands out in a crowd. Simply, Mr. Popular. So I think Karthik is the best person for this. The deo is super long lasting. The next on the list is the deo sin, the devil of the group. But सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा इसके साथ ही आता है. This one has to be for Rohan. Nobody else but him. Last is the deo game, the Dhoni of the group. This one has to be for Rohit. No one else but him. I bought all these deodorants for my friends as they are anyways crazy for IPL. And they for sure love it. By the way, there is a buy one get one free offer on all these deodorants, which means in just $2.99 you get 2 deodorants. So just go and buy them now. And also, comment down your favorite deodorant.